Hello, this is the day that the Lord has made. I am rejoicing and I am so glad in it. Well, on to the next. Well, one of the residents who was also a friend um, knocked on my door last night and had an emergency. Somehow, don't ask me how. Well, probably she had it too low in the back. She got this caught in the wheel of her wheelchair. And she's like, "You're the only one that I know that can make this happen," basically. So, first glance, I'm like, I don't know. Maybe you should just give this to me so I can cut it up and make something great out of the scraps. But this is one of her favorite jackets, so told her, I was eating at the time, can I look at it when I finish eating and I will let you know. Well, she did a lot of damage to this jacket. Like I said, she got it caught in her wheelchair, and she said every time she tried to release it from the wheel, it tore some more. So, as you can see, some damage was done. So upon first glance, I'm like, there's no way. But then it kind of did me a favor because it tore kind of in a straight line. So I'm thinking that I may be able to save it. So put it on Thelma, and I got a pin in my mouth. Like I said, after looking at it, I think I may be able to give her back her jacket in a wearing so that she can wear it again. See this? Yeah, this is going to be a challenge. This is the sleeve, it looks like. Okay. Alright, so I like challenges, and so we are going to give it a go. Can you see that it is in a is in a rough state? So, like I said, I told her I think I may be able to do something with it. I think there's hope for it. What do you think? Anyway, this is it. So I'm going to reassess it, and I'll take you guys along with me on the ride. As always, first of all, I want to apologize because I have not. I've been working, I've been sewing, and I've been creating things, but I just have not been in the right state of mind. I've got a lot of stuff to post, and I'm going to start tonight. And I want you guys to please forgive me. You guys have been with me along the ride, but like mid-November and until like mid-February, I'm usually an emotional mess. And this year, it was amplified by the loss of my pastor, he was a father figure. I mean, my pastor has so much zest, and he brought the word like no other, and he kept you motivated and fired up, and he was an awesome man. And that has been really, 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 really emotional. That compounded with the loss of my mother, and how people say, oh, it'll get easier, you'll get over it. No, you never get over losing a parent, and my pastor was like a dad to me. And getting emotional thinking about it. So it just had me in this emotional wreck. And I just didn't have the motivation to want to do anything. But I know if he could come back, he wouldn't. Because I just know that he wouldn't. He's with my Heavenly Father. I can honestly say that I believe that that's where he is, and I'm living so that I can live again, and I have to get myself together because that's what he would want. Even my mom, I know that's what she would want, but I was my mom's birthday present. Her birthday is February 1st, mine was February 2nd. We did something. I've got a picture of us both with money pinned on our chests, and we were just looking like the divas that we were, or that I am. But so around this year, it's just really, really, really emotional for me, and I'm sure that there are some of you out there that have the same problems. So that's why I always say, do something nice for someone, because I'm sure there's someone out there who is feeling the same way. I had a Alright, you guys, this is the reveal. This is the jacket that was killed by a motorized wheelchair, but Ripped to Wear by Nettie revived it, and it will live to see another day. This is Ripped to Wear by Nettie. If you are not part of the family, please subscribe. If you like what you see, like I said, I don't profess to be an expert. I'm just showing you guys what I love to do. Give me a thumbs up, and if you hit the bell, anytime I post something, you will be notified. Alright, so like I said, on the inside, where I showed you guys, this is like what we do when we want to distress something. You cut it with a razor blade, pull out all the white pieces. I don't know if it was done by the wheelchair or not, but there was really nothing else I could do with this part of it. Also here, these pieces there was no hope for them. But if you remember that one long piece that wouldn't even let it stay on Thelma, well, it is completely mended. Really can't tell. And then over here was another long piece that was ripped open. This is what we did. And over here, same thing. I'm pretty sure she's going to be pleased with the end result. So this is our reveal of the jacket that was killed by a motorized wheelchair. But we revived it again, and it will live to see another day. Alright, you guys, be kind. Do something for someone you haven't spoken to in a long time. Not only will it lift their day, but I'm sure it will make you feel good as well. Alright, you guys, until later, this is again Ripped to Wear by Nettie, coming to you with another DIY. Revived the jean jacket that was messed up by a motorized wheelchair. Our DIY caused it to live again. Alright, you guys, have a great one. Until later, you are blessed, you're healed, and you are delivered. If you live in Ohio, hey, we got a rainy day, but at least the snow is gone. No more 12 below. 12 inches are gone. It's not summertime, but hey, it's a lot better than it was. Every day you have something to be thankful for. All right, you guys, until later, have a great one. Bye.